My name is Bobby Tonelli. It is an honor to be your host this evening for this momentous occasion. Of course, we have the Italian ambassador, His Excellency, Mr. Paolo Crudela. Of course, we have the president of Bogi Italia, Mr. Claudio Zaccardi, and his brother, the CEO of Bogi Italia, Mr. Carlo Zaccardi.
Thank you very much for being here tonight to celebrate with us the opening of our first store in Singapore. This is a fundamental achievement for us, as the importance of the Asian market is undeniable. We now extend our presence to 25 countries worldwide. We are extremely proud of this first new opening in Singapore that properly expressed Bogi brand image and identity.
Bogi is one of the best of them, so I'm really glad tonight this opening is happening. Bogi means great quality, but with a reasonable price, means designers, means craftsmanship, means innovation. I really wish you all the best. I really wish Bogi more expansion, more business here in Singapore.
Ladies and gentlemen, the opening of Bogi Milano right here at Marina Bay Sands. The experience that Bogi brings to menswear. Now we want to showcase it to you in person.